Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Evelyn, and if you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so that you can know every time I upload. Today I've got an unboxing or slash reveal of my latest designer bag. I'm so excited to show you guys, so let's just get into it. So I've got some notes here because I am too excited, guys. I've crashed on this item for years now, since 2019 when it was released. So I'm going to tell you about the decision process and reveal the bag, show you what fits inside it, and then a little story about the bag. Firstly, the decision was not easy to make because I sort of already have a lot of bags, and I was going through a process of switching to minimalism, and I had to make sure that I really wanted this bag. The first time I saw it was when it was released in 2019 in the big size, the biggest size. So I was like, I liked that size, but I had to think about it, and eventually I decided no, that size is not for me. It's too expensive and it doesn't have some features that I like, so I decided to consider others. Then I had to think about which color to get because it comes in a variety of colors that are so beautiful. I think Bottega right now is leading in terms of colorful clothes and accessories. So yeah, I had to think about the color, and that was also not easy, but my process was to just think about what I have in my wardrobe already, which outfits I've already put together, and whilst putting them together, wished that I had this color. Does that make sense? Yeah, let's get into the review, guys. Okay, so it came, I ordered mine from Net-a-Porter. I like shopping from Net-a-Porter for designer goods because there's no additional charge when the goods are delivered to South Africa. What happens is their prices include the taxes and also the duty, so they can calculate duties and taxes. So whatever you pay, the price you see on the website is the price that is the final price. So yeah, that's why I like Net-a-Porter. So the bag, I'm just gonna get into the pricing. I'm going to say it in the currency that I was charged in, because tomorrow the exchange rate might be different, so converting it to rand is not gonna be helpful. Anyway, the price of the bag, the price that I paid was a total of 1,463 pounds 47 cents. I'll be seeing this bag for the first time with you guys. This was not easy, and I'll never repeat this. I'll never ever repeat this. I decided that I'm going to open this bag on video with you guys so that you can see my initial reaction. Sometimes when you want something for a very long time, you obsess over it, and then you convince yourself that you want it, but then when you see it, it might be a different story. But I'm hoping that I don't feel that way. So yeah, basically it came in this box. This box is from DHL. Usually Net-a-Porter has some beautiful black boxes, and I think I was too excited, or maybe they've stopped offering them, but I didn't choose to get a box, and yeah, the bag doesn't come in a box, and I regret that choice. So yeah, anyway, it comes with tissue paper, lots of tissue paper, and there's the dust bag. So it says Bottega Veneta. I must say the quality of this bag, the dust bag, is very, very nice, and I can feel it. Ooh. And here is my bag. My dumpling pouch. Ooh. So yeah, guys, here is the bag. Here is my Bottega Veneta dumpling. It's actually called the small pouch 20. This bag is called the small pouch 20. There's a bigger version, which, like I said, I didn't want because it didn't have a strap. It looks very nice when people are carrying it on Instagram, taking pictures and so on, but my thought process was that it's not going to be practical for me because I like to have options. Every now and then I want to put the bag on my shoulder or crossbody, wear it crossbody. So yeah, I eventually decided on a small, and here it is. So let's get into the nitty-gritties, the features of the bag. So the bag has a strap, and to adjust it, you just have to adjust this knot to make it shorter or longer. So yeah, that's how you adjust the length of the strap. Or you can take it off. You can take off the strap to make it a clutch. It is a clutch, but if you want to just carry it without a strap, that's what you can do. So inside is this envelope. I don't know what's in there. Okay, instructions. Stuff with paper. So the inside is leather lining. That smells so good. There's only one part of the bag. In fact, I'm lying, there's two, but can we really consider this as it's just a tag that says Bottega Veneta, and then here as well the words Bottega Veneta made in Italy are embossed there. It's a magnetic closure, and it's got nice ruching there on the top. And yeah, the leather is calf skin leather, and I think it's tough but soft at the same time. It looks like it's just one or two parts, actually, two leather parts sewn together, yeah, with one stitching across there. And yeah, that's my bag. So let's get into what would fit inside this little pouch. I've got my, I don't think this would fit though, my cosmetics pouch. If it does, it will take up a lot of space. Oh, it does. So I've got it in there, and then some sunnies. Okay. Hope nothing will break when I close it. Then my khakis with a pochette clé from Louis Vuitton, and it has the slot where I can keep my cards and receipts. So I think that can go in. And yeah, oh, my glasses are not gonna be safe. Okay, it closes. At the bottom is my cosmetics pouch. So basically all I can take is my mini pochette and my pochette clay, and possibly my key holder as well. And that's the bag. I think this is the type of bag to carry on a nice lunch with your friends, or it's suitable also for dinners, depending on what you're wearing, of course. But yeah, it's suitable for dinners, lunches, a quick errand. So yeah, that's my Porsche. What? Pouch. Pouch. This is a pouch. It's not a French bag. So a little story about this bag. It was launched in 2019 by the current creative director of Bottega Veneta. He started in 2018, so by 2019 he launched the pouch, and it has been all the rage. There's been a lot of versions of the pouch, but yeah, people have been loving Daniel Lee, that's the creative director. They've been loving his work, and I am people. So yeah, and I am glad to have gotten myself this little dumpling. I keep saying dumpling because when people mock this bag, they say it looks like a dumpling, but I think it's true. But yeah, why not? Why not buy yourself a dumpling and live fashionably? Anyway, that's the end of my unboxing or reveal of my pink small pouch 20 from Bottega Veneta. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I'm gonna carry this bag today. Get somewhere. Bye guys.